Hello, my name is Josie Saldana. I am the property manager here at Blue Parrot Beach House. Blue Parrot Beach House isn't just another vacation home. It's a thoughtfully curated balance of spacious, private oceanfront living, resort-style amenities tailored to comfort and ease, and it's culturally authentic. It's all at a location that's both peaceful and conveniently placed. It is centrally located in the resort zone, and you have the privacy of a vacation rental while being in a resort zone. It has resort amenities without sacrificing privacy. We have complimentary gear such as kayaks, paddle boards, bicycles, beach toys for the pool. We have complimentary golf cart use for rentals of 7 days or more. And then we have conveniences such as concierge services, private chefs, kitchen restocks, laundry facilities for the guests. Come stay at Blue Parrot Beach House in Hopkins. We're here ready to serve you.